What is up, you guys? It's Alexia here, and today we're packing for vacation. I've been watching these videos everywhere where it's like the pack with me for ... wherever they're going, and I love these videos, and I was like, I'm going on a trip, I need to do this. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to bring you guys along, show you guys what I'm packing for Florida, for the beach. So let's get started. I leave tomorrow and I have absolutely nothing packed, and it's because I have worked every single day and have not had time to pack anything. I finally had time to clean all my laundry. I have no like dirty clothes other than what I'm wearing. With that being said, I need to pack now so I don't dirty up any more clothes and I don't wear anything that I plan on taking to the trip with me, even though I'm leaving tomorrow, but you get the point. My closet is destroyed, however. As you can see, it's a little messy. But while I was doing my laundry, I just put everything in piles. Like, this is stuff that needs hung up. But I have a pile right here of stuff that I'm taking with me because I figured that if I was going to do the laundry, I'm not going to put it up and then grab what I need. I'm just going to fold the stuff that I want to take with me in a pile so I don't even put it up and waste time. Because we don't have a lot of time. So I need to grab my suitcase and get started. My suitcase is up here and I am down here and it's filled. Okay. Oh, it's not that bad. Maybe. Got it. Okay, let's take this one here. I'm gonna open this. It definitely has stuff in it. Like I said, it's bags. There we go. Okay. Okay. Empty suitcase now. And it's not going to take very long to pack this thing because I am an overpacker. Just from doing my laundry, I've had this many clothes to pack. First thing that I always try and pack is obviously like underwear and bras, just because they take up a less amount of space, and it's probably like one of the most important things to bring, I feel like. I have a whole pile over here. I'm not going to show you guys my bras and underwear. So yeah, I'm just going to pack them. These little bags that you get your like pillowcases in or your sheets in are like the perfect bags to pack like bras and underwear in. Alright, undies, check. And I have enough for every day of the week. Undies are packed in this bag, a little life hack, and I'm just gonna stick that right here and I'll fold it over. So I'm not really too worried about this going in a bag, I guess. They're all sports bras. What I do is I roll my clothes instead of folding them in there. I roll them to make even more space, like so. Like that's the perfect little roll, and you just stick it in there. And then 2 bralettes, a black and a white one. I try and do the smallest stuff on the bottom first so it doesn't like be cluttered on the top. So I'm gonna do swimsuits next, and I have a lot, but I'm gonna show you guys each and every swimsuit that I'm gonna bring. I grabbed all of my swimsuits that I'm bringing, and I still actually have one. I have a video to film. I have a little haul, and it has one swimsuit in it, but I need to pack it. So let's go through the swimsuits. The first swimsuit that I love, it's a go-to. It's just a basic black swimsuit that I got from Old Navy, actually, for like $5. It's comfortable. It looks good on. And to match that, I have these bottoms, which are my favorite bottoms that I've ever owned. That looks really weird, but like just so you can see better, it's got the little like V shape on it. And they are from Urban Outfitters, and I paid like $40 for these. But I got a small, and they're a little bit baggy, but they're like the best coverage I feel like I have. To match with that swimsuit, I also have this black top that I actually did in one of my videos. This swimsuit is from Escape Swimwear. It's one of my favorites. It's just really scandalous, but it looks so good on it. I just freaking love this. It's adorable, and I'm gonna take such good cute pictures in this. Next swimsuit, this is just a top, blue top. It's got little cutouts on the side. Simple, cute, supportive. I'm gonna go to the swimsuits that I actually showed you guys in my last video, vacation haul video. Obviously I'm gonna pack all of those swimsuits because I specifically bought them for this trip. This swimsuit, if you want to see all those swimsuits that I got, you can go check out that video that I posted. Alright, then we've got the pink one, and then we've got the blue one. And that is all the swimsuits that I think I'm gonna bring. So that's 8 swimsuits. I will be perfectly fine. Still has a tag on it because I haven't got to wear it yet because I bought it specifically for vacation. But it is this cute like raw shirt from Urban Outfitters. It's in that one cute like green color that's really popular this year, and the back looks like this. It's lopsided, as you can see, and then I tried it on and I was like, this feels really weird, but it's actually really cute. It'll give them really weird tan lines if I wear it for too long, but I think that this is adorable. So that's what I'm packing next. I guess we'll go into shirts because those are the smallest stuff, and then I always pack pants and like sweatshirts last on top. I have this little wrap shirt, if you guys saw it. I'm bringing this with me. I got this black bandana bandeau top. Simple if I don't feel like really wearing a bra or anything, I can wear this. This shirt is already folded, but it's just a regular like Ralph Lauren t-shirt. Definitely a bedtime shirt, or like if we're going anywhere and I don't really feel like wearing anything tight. This white t-shirt from Forever 21. I've got another white shirt, but it's a cropped shirt. This pink ribbed tank top from Forever 21. Okay. I need to try on all this Shein stuff and put it in my bag so you guys can't see it. This is what my suitcase is looking like right now. We have bras, underwear, swimsuits, and shirts in there so far. The only other thing is shorts and some sweatshirts, and I think that that's really good. Obviously some shoes, but I always pack those right here. I put on a sweatshirt because it's cold. I don't want to pack too many oversized shirts because when I'm down there, I will buy them, because normally when I go to the beach, I always end up buying oversized clothing. I'm bringing one set of pajamas. It's really the only set of pajamas I have, and it's these. They just take up too much space, if I'm being honest. So yeah, that's all I'm bringing. I'm bringing this one pajama set, and that's it. Now for dresses. I haven't worn this yet. I think it's super cute. It's this purple romper. Super cute, and it's got a cutout in the back. This tannish mauve color almost. This can also double as pajamas. It's super soft. It actually is a pajama shirt, but I got it in an extra large so that it's a dress. Tropical vibe dress. Like, this reminds me of Hawaii. It's just got these hibiscus flowers, I believe is what they are. I mean, I specifically bought this in mind because I was like, I am gonna wear that at the beach one day. And my suitcase is getting pretty full already. I'm bringing these because I plan on working out while I'm down there still. I have two pairs of sweatshirts that I'm bringing. These are like a more lighter gray, and then these are a little bit darker, but these fit better. I've got a black pair of sweatshorts, but they're longer. I have them in brown. Bringing these pink spandex ones with little ties on the side. These are from Forever 21. It's regular black spandex that I wore for cheer, but these are perfect for when I wear skirts from Target. They're their pajama shorts. They're really comfortable. Then I've got these like mint sweatshorts from Old Navy. They're super soft, super comfortable. I've got these shorts from Hollister. These shorts, obviously I got these from Pakistan if you watched my last video. I've got the pants that I ordered also. If you watched my last video, you would have seen that. I've got the same pants in blue. Guys, my suitcase is filled. I'm bringing this green oversized sweatshirt because it's my favorite. I don't feel like I packed that much. And then lastly, this is inside out, but I don't really care and I don't feel like fixing it, but it is just this oversized black sweatshirt from American Eagle. My suitcase is so full. It's literally like a good like 3 inches over where it's supposed to shut. What shoes I'm gonna bring? In the car, I'm wearing these because these are easy to slip on and off, and I hate wearing any type of shoe that isn't when you're driving somewhere, because if you stop for food, go to the gas station, go pee, it is so hard to put tennis shoes on. It's so easy to slip any type of like slip-on shoe on, obviously. I'm then bringing my Nike sandals because these are perfect for if we're going to be doing a lot of walking. I know we're going to an amusement park one day. I wore these last time and they're the most comfortable shoe. I'm also bringing these white sandals. I wore these for my graduation. They're just simple, they're small. The last pair of shoes that I'm bringing is obviously just my Air Force Ones. They go with everything. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. They're the perfect shoe. That is everything that is going in my suitcase, I believe. I normally pack another bag with my toiletries, and it goes with me in the car where I'm sitting. All right, you guys, so this is what my suitcase looks like. It's a good like 2 to 3 inches above where it needs to be closed at. So we're gonna try and close this. You can just see how thick it is. My shoes made it worse. If I didn't have my shoes in there, I think it would have shut fine. Like, yeah, this is...
You want me to sit on it?
Jonathan's sitting on it. We're zipping it. Oh, it's zipped all the way, you guys. We did it. The only other thing that I normally put in here, socks and then a curling iron. The hardest decision is what curling iron do I want to bring? I've got this whole drawer. Oh my god, that was so messy. I need to bring my dry shampoo. I think I want to bring this curling iron, and then this is a curling straightener. Other than that, I don't really feel like bringing anything else in here, so that's good. I'm gonna see how much stuff I have toiletry wise, and if I have a lot, it'll go in this bag. If not, I'm thinking I'm gonna bring this book bag instead. This was my book bag from this year. Let's go find all my toiletries and jewelry and everything else. But what I do need to bring is my hair stuff, but I'm actually gonna be taking a shower tomorrow, so I don't know what I want to bring. I'm buying soap down there because there's my favorite soap shop down there. This is so hard. This is so hard. I've decided I'm not gonna pack my shampoo, conditioner, face wash, whatever. I'll do that tomorrow before I leave because I have to use that before I leave tomorrow. But I'm gonna pack all the stuff that I normally would use, for instance, like hair clips, toothbrush, not my real one, this is one I bought. Just little stuff like that, hairspray, you know, jewelry. I need to do jewelry. I use very minimal products on my face, so all of it fit in this little tiny bag that says my name on it. That is what is all in there. I'm gonna try and fit all my makeup into this. There's a comb in there actually. I learned that my makeup is not gonna fit in here. I don't even wear makeup like ever anymore, but I don't want to like not bring it and then regret my decision. You know what I mean? I got this Shein bag. That's what I'm gonna use. It's bigger. That all fits in there so much better. Look at that. It fits. So we've got body skincare stuff, makeup, actual skincare. So for this one, this is just a Vera Bradley bag. I'm going to be bringing my jewelry in this, I believe. That I have all my jewelry from Shein is really all that I'm bringing. All my jewelry's in here. That means I officially have 4 bags. Now, the only thing I feel like I have left to really pack that's toiletry-wise is like random stuff. Like I have perfume, I have a hair towel, my hair clips. I also have my whole skincare brush to pack. Other than that, that is like all my toiletries that I need to bring. I'm pretty sure. I really hope, because if not, then I'm gonna have to buy some down there. I'm gonna pack this. I'm gonna put the biggest one in there first. Then my skincare. Then this. Jewelry also needs to go in here. I still have a good chunk of room left in this. That is like everything that I can only pack for today. I guess that's really it. Okay guys, so I just finished like cleaning up a bit. Here is what I'm bringing. These 2 things. I realized I forgot to pack a pair of jeans, so I'm gonna somehow have to open that and then fit this in there. I'm completely packed, and I'm glad I got it done today instead of waiting until the last minute tomorrow, because I feel like I would have forgotten something. Okay guys, I'm all packed for Florida, and that is gonna be the end of this video. Not as stressful as I thought it was gonna be, but still a little bit. Stay tuned for more of my Florida vlogs that will be coming soon. Other than that, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys down in Florida. Goodbye.